Hello everyone, what is up and welcome back to the channel iRumors. Today is yet another video in our self-repair series. So first of all, I want to say I really hope that this self-repair video is helping all of you. My self-repair series is currently quite consistent nowadays. Last time self-repair used to be once in a while, but now it's more frequent. Last time I used to do just tear downs, and now we are slowly moving on to self-repair, a progress that I made, trying to do it in the most basic way possible. Today we are going to be replacing the back glass on the Samsung Galaxy A7 2017. Yep, there's a few A7s and this is the A7 2017 version. So without further ado, let's get started right into the repair. So for this repair, of course we need the phone. Other than that, we will be needing our toolkit, which contains the magnetic pad and everything else, and we'll be needing the suction cup, and last but not the least, hot air gun. This is to soften the adhesive. The screw pad at the top left hand corner, and we're going to take out a few picks. Now the first step in removing the back glass is you're going to heat up the back glass. As usual, that's a decent amount of heat. Let's take off suction cup, put it beneath and try to remove it. Okay, there we go. This was kind of easy. It was actually much easier. Now all we got to do is to just slide the back glass open. It is actually very easy to open. I think the adhesive just wasn't that strong, so I think just a bit of heat just did the job well. There we go. That was easy. I didn't even have to use more than one pick. That itself is an achievement on its own. Back glass has been opened. That's just a lot of residue, and let's just remove it, and there we go. The back glass has been removed. I forgot to mention one important component that we need, which is the B7000 glue. I forgot to mention that. Now with the back glass removed, all we gotta do is to just scrape off all this excessive glue that we have. It's always nice if you have some alcohol, just a bit of alcohol. There you can see the alcohol just did its magic. After you have scraped out all your old glue, what you gotta do is take your new back glass and take your glue. For me, I always recommend the B7000, but if you don't have it, if you want to get a pre-cut, I'm not sure if pre-cut adhesive is made for the A series because they're not really that popular. So if it's made, then you can use the pre-cut. If not, just use the, take it, apply it, and right at the corners of the display will do. And once you have applied, take your new back glass. I always like to do it from the top, align it, and once it's aligned, just place it down. Place it down, press it in place, and once you have done that, immediately without wasting time, take a book or take something heavy, place it on top for weight, because you want to make sure the adhesive just sets in place. We need something heavy, just place it on top, let it set for a while.
15 minutes later.
Let's remove the book that we put for the weight. After that's removed, we can take a look at the back glass, and there you can see it's fully seated properly in place. And once you're sure that the back glass is seated properly in place, all you might want to do is take a wireless charger, slap it at the back and check if it's charging. And if the wireless charger is charging, plug in a USB-C cable to the phone and check if it's charging. Once you're sure that both is charging, you can for sure deem your repair successful. So that is the back glass replacement on the Samsung Galaxy A7 2017. I wouldn't say that there's anything difficult in this repair, because this is not like the S8 or the S9 where the fingerprint scanner is attached. There's nothing much to it. There's actually nothing much that you have to look out for, because there's nothing that can go wrong in changing the back glass. You can definitely do this repair. I think I'll rate this repair at difficulty level of 1 or 2. That's also definitely due to just removing the adhesive. You can definitely do this at home. A back glass for the Samsung Galaxy A7 2017 just costs $5. So this is just a repair of $5, and I'm pretty sure most of the repairs that you do come together with the glue that you need and together with the basic tools that you need for the repair. It might not be as high as the suction clamp that I'm using, but you will definitely have a small suction cup together with it for you to remove the back glass, which should definitely do the job of helping you repair it. So with that, thank you so much for watching, and if you like what you saw, don't forget to get subscribed, turn on notification, and I'll catch all of you in the next one. Bye bye.